So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to write text in AutoCAD, and it is very simple and it is right in front of you in this annotation bar. It is written over here text. So all you have to need is to click on the text option and just create a box wherever you want to write it. AutoCAD will create its own size and scale of the text. So right now, if I am selecting this, then AutoCAD will give me a text that I can write. So here I can write anything I want. Let's say welcome to my YouTube channel. So it is that simple. You just have to write it like this, and even you can edit your edit your text, your font, your color, anything that you wish to do. Right here, it is very simple. You just have to play around. The most common that we all use is Calibri, and you can also change that color in AutoCAD. Let's say you want to have green, you can have green. If you want blue, you can just change the color from here to blue. It is that simple. So this is how you can write text in AutoCAD, and also you can increase, decrease font sizes. Also, you can scale it, as you can see right over here. You can scale this text however you want, and this is that simple. So this is okay. One more thing. This is a multi-line text. There is also an option of a single line text. But what is the difference between a single line and a multi-line? Is here you can actually write paragraphs or more lines that you wish. But in a single line text, you can only write in a single line. That is just, oh, scale is too big. But what I meant to say is that only this is multi-line text. Most of us in practice here we use this only. So let me note down in the comments that what next video that you want. This was very simple and very basic, but I wish that I should share it with you, so I shared it. So as I shared it with you, you should also share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.